Amber Heard has had again several examples of alleged violent behavior of her ex-husband Johnny Depp. The actress said, among other things, that the actor became aggressive because he was jealous when she was shooting a film together with James Franco in 2014. Amber was questioned as a witness for the first time last week in the case Johnny has filed against her for defamation because she accuses him of abuse. The actor denies this and says that his ex, to whom he was married from 2015 to 2017, was aggressive. An emotional Amber in court in Fairfax, Virginia, listed multiple incidents of alleged assault. A day later, the actress continued to do so and told, among other things, how Johnny became violent on board a plane because he would be jealous that she was working with James Franco. Johnny would think the two were having an affair. According to Amber, her ex attacked her on the plane and his team witnessed it. Johnny allegedly threw ice cubes and multiple objects at her, kicked her and punched her in the face. Nobody said anything, nobody did anything, Amber said in tears. Johnny also cited the same argument when he himself took a seat on the witness stand 2 weeks ago. According to him, the actress started the altercation and locked himself in the toilet because, according to him, she kept going. Johnny went to court over Amber's 2018 article in the Washington Post, in which she wrote she was a survivor of domestic violence. She didn't mention his name, but it was clear that she was referring to Johnny and he missed out on film roles as a result. The actor is seeking damages of $50 million. So far, few people seem to believe Amber's testimonies. Johnny Depp's lawyers already called it a play. Now her former BFF Jennifer Howell will testify in court. Will former BFF Jennifer Howell give Amber Heard the final blow? In the last days of the scandal trial, is an incident that took place in their house when Amber had her sister Whitney Henriquez to stay. Johnny would have almost thrown her down the stairs with, if he had succeeded, certainly serious consequences. But very well it could be different than Amber stated to the police. And that is why a special witness has been called who can explain what really happened. If the story of this Jennifer Howell, a friend of Whitney's, is plausible, it could make Amber's last bit of credibility disappear. Credibility that is increasingly in doubt. This happened in 2015. According to Amber and Whitney, Amber would have hit him in another fight over Johnny's alleged infidelity, but she herself says that she did so to protect her sister. Whitney stated, "Johnny had my sister by the hair with one hand and hit her in the face several times with his other." Jennifer Howell was not present, but was told the story shortly after it happened in Sense and Colors. But that was a very different version than what the sisters now bring up in the lawsuit. Whitney then told her that Amber was so over her revs that she approached Johnny when he got home and almost knocked her sister down the stairs herself. Whitney is even said to have told her, "I'm just afraid that Amber will kill Johnny once." It is expected that Jennifer, called as a witness, will repeat these words during the hearing. That will not only make the jury doubt the credibility of this story, but possibly everyone else as well. It could even be the death knell for Amber and her business, inflicted by a friend of the sister with whom she played together. At the end of the week, it will be eagerly awaited who will believe the jury, although no one thinks that the mud throwing between the two, with whatever outcome in court, will also stop. At least 6 books have already been announced about the case.